First, secure the power supply in place using screws and mounting brackets. Connect the power cable to the receiving card. Next, connect the network cable and the color flat cables. Then firmly mount the receiving card itself, securing the color flat cables to facilitate subsequent operations. Finally, secure the power cable in place. With these steps completed, the installation of a sleek indoor LED cabinet is finished.